Hello, this is Norm McKay introducing our certified pre-owned car of the week. This week features our
2023 Lexus LS500. This Iridium LS has only 152 miles and has been marked down to sell at only $91,991. This rear-wheel drive 10-speed automatic transmission vehicle is equipped with a 3.4-liter V6 twin-turbo engine and receives a combined fuel economy rating of 22 miles per gallon. This vehicle comes with an abundance of safety features including the pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and intelligent high beams. Some of this vehicle's highlights include heads-up display, panoramic moonroof, and a 12.3-inch display complete with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto.
All Lexus certified vehicles go through a rigorous 161-point inspection. They also come with an unlimited mileage warranty for up to 6 years. Your next 4 scheduled maintenances, no matter what the cost in the manual, are all covered 100%. And access to all of Fields Matters amenities are included with complimentary car washes and free cafe for breakfast and lunch.